Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Undando Tuma recently got married. Her wedding was so beautiful, guys. She shared her wedding pictures, videos where she was just rejoicing with her new husband. Now, one thing about people, they will not allow you to enjoy your day and just close their mouth nje bathule, so Ntando Duma shared pictures, shared videos and stuff. You can see they were happy, they were enjoying as a family and with friends. And then something happened. People were sharing the picture on social media. Someone even said ukuthi Limpopo guys like marrying second hand, and they like dusting out second hand products and making them wives just because she has a child with someone else, and then someone decided to marry her. So are we saying uti, if someone has a child with someone else, then they don't deserve love, they don't deserve marriage? Someone by the name of Ntokozo Masuku said Limpopo gents and leftovers, you can't separate them. They love used products. Like, the way people are just talking, it's like they don't have mothers, they don't have sisters. Some of these people that are saying these things were raised by single mothers, but it's really, really shocking. It's really shocking. And I like the response that someone gave, Uti. The way South African men talk about women matches the murder stats, because women are dying each and every day, and then someone comes and shares something like this. It shows there's still a long way to go. There's still a long way to go.